How to add motion blur in Premiere Pro. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open Premiere Pro application. Click on Test Project at the top left corner and choose the option of Import. Simply click on it and select the file in which you want to apply the motion blur. Drag and bring into it to the right blank space. Once the clip has been selected, go to Motion Blunt Amped. Select its value to 5 and go to Velocity. Select its value to 100. Now in blur type, simply choose the option of Smear. And then at the top, go to Effect Control. Choose the option of Mocha Mask or Track. And that's it. Just to save it, again go to Effect Control and at the bottom left corner, choose the option of Save. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.